pada segmen saya Katakan Hai Kepada Ketakutan, saya dapat inspirasi untuk overcome rasa takut daripada video ini.
So I just learned this amazing way to trick your brain and overcome fear in just 5 seconds. And I had to share it with you guys. Now, a lot of you guys may not know, but I'm a naturally shy person. I know, right? Me? Yep. Been that way ever since I was a kid. I get anxiety. I'm nervous to go and introduce myself to people, especially, sometimes to talk to beautiful women. Yep. I'm very shy. I was scared to raise my hand in class. Basically just fearful of the things that I knew that I should do ever since childhood, and it still affects me to this day. So I wish I would have learned this trick back then, because I would have been more courageous, more confident. I would have done more things, tried more things, said more things that were on my heart. But here's what you do. Enough talking. When you get that feeling that you want to do something, like talk to someone you're interested in, raise your hand, ask a question, or ask for a raise, the longer you wait after you get that initial feeling, the more likely it is that you won't do that thing that you really want to do. Why? Because your mind starts to overthink, make excuses after excuses. Oh, what if I look stupid? What if I get rejected? But here's the hack, here's the trick. Are you ready for it? It's real quick, real easy, and it works. Once you know what you want to do, count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then go and do that thing that you want to do. Like a rocket ship, count down and then blast off. Sounds like the silliest thing ever, but it works. It works based on the science of metacognition, and study after study have shown its effectiveness. See, it quiets the negativity bias that we have in us. The stinking thinking, the blah blah, the worry. See, worry is a misuse of the imagination. It does nothing but drain us of our willpower. But when you focus on the countdown, you interrupt the worry, the doubts, and then you can go and do what it is you want to do. That's it. See, you're just tricking your mind. And see, this is such a great tool to help you take control of your life and start living more authentically. Use this for things like waking up in the morning, eating healthier, going to the gym, whatever positive change that you want to make in your life. This will give you the courage to finally become the truest version of yourself. How much longer are you going to say, one day I'm gonna? Just count down and do it. Now, I didn't invent
Jadi
this.
macam mana? Belajar tak sesuatu?
I